Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today my topic is Tata Iron and Steel Company, Jamshedpur. Dear students, as you know, yesterday we have discussed distribution of major industries in which we have discussed iron and steel industry. Now today we will discuss Tata Iron and Steel Company, Jamshedpur. Dear students, before 1947, there was only one iron and steel plant in the country. There was only one iron and steel plant in the country, Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited, जिसको हम टिस्को बोलते हैं. शॉर्ट फॉर्म इसकी जो है वो है TISCO, टाटा आयरन एंड स्टील कंपनी, टाटा आयरन एंड स्टील कंपनी लिमिटेड. इट वॉज प्राइवेटली ओन्ड आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस. फिर आज़ादी के बाद 1947 के बाद द गवर्नमेंट टुक द इनिशिएटिव एंड सेट अप सेवरल आयरन एंड स्टील प्लांट्स, जैसा कि टिस्को है. टिस्को वॉज स्टार्टेड इन 1907 एट सांची नियर द इन कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द रिवर्स सबरनारिखा एंड खरकाई. सबरनारिखा and Kharkai in Jharkhand. Later on, Sanchi was renamed as Jamshedpur. Geographically, अगर हम geographically देखेंगे, Jamshedpur is the most conveniently situated iron and steel center in the country. Iron and steel center in the country. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, Sanchi was chosen to set up the steel plant for several reasons. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, this place was only 32 kilometers away from Kalimati station on the Bengal-Nagpur railway line. It was close to the iron ore. It was close to the iron ore, coal and manganese deposits, as well as to Kolkata, which provided a large market. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, टिस्को gets coal from Jharia coalfields. Jharia coalfields and iron ore, limestone, dolomite and manganese from Odisha and Chhattisgarh. The Kharkai and Sabarnarekha rivers ensured sufficient water supply. Government ensured to provide adequate capital for its later development. In Jamshedpur, several other industrial plants. In Jamshedpur, several other industrial plants were set up after Tisco, Tata Iron and Steel Company, they provide chemicals. They provide chemicals. They provide chemicals, locomotive parts, agricultural equipment, machinery, tin plate, cable and wire. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, the development of the iron and steel industry opened the doors to rapid industrial development in India. Almost all sectors of the Indian industry depend heavily on the iron and steel industry. Almost all sectors of the Indian industry depend heavily on the iron and steel industry for their basic infrastructure, infrastructure. The Indian iron and steel industry consists of large integrated steel plants as well as mini steel mills It also includes, जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, it also includes secondary producers. Secondary producers, rolling mills, जैसा कि rolling mills हैं, and ancillary industries तो प्यारे बच्चों, आज का टॉपिक जो था वो था टाटा आयरन एंड स्टील कंपनी जमशेदपुर. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो है वो है पीटर्सबर्ग, वो हम इसके बाद डिस्कस करेंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज.